Hey everyone, and welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Lisa, and if you like home decor, DIYs, organization, and anything home related, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Click the little bell next to it so you don't miss another video. And today's video, I'm going to show you guys my Homegoods haul, and I'm also going to give you like a sneak peek at my office that I've been working on. It's actually my dining room, and I have no use for a formal dining room. Honestly, we never have dinner parties. We don't have that many friends because we move so much. So I spend a lot of time in the computer editing, you know, doing research and whatnot. I wanted to have a comfortable place to sit, and I thought that was the perfect space for that. We have 5 bedrooms in this house, but we do have a lot of out-of-town family, so it's really nice to have the extra bedrooms, and I didn't want to use them as an office. And that's my wreath that completely fell apart because it's still so hot here in Georgia. I don't even know why I thought hot glue was gonna work. But my office was a hot mess. I did kind of put it together. I cleaned it up a little bit. It's by no means ready or done, but I can actually be in there working now. I got my chair in, my table. I'm so excited. It's starting to look so nice. So I went to Homegoods and I got some stuff for it, and I also got some stuff for my kitchen because I'm going to be redoing my pantry and some other stuff. So let's get right into it. So the first thing I got is this big salad bowl. It's by the Lipper International, and the salad bowl was $29.99 or $24.99. It's beautiful. It's like bamboo wood. I love just the natural feel of it. I was so excited when I saw it, but it was $30, you guys, for a bowl. That's crazy, but it's gonna get a lot of use. I also got the salad hands, and those are only $4.99 by Decor. And there's still like a wood material. I don't know if I put oil on that, if it's gonna get it darker. I'll have to try. I also got a little mortar and pestle. I'm Haitian, and we use a lot of like spices that we just kind of crush and grind together, and I've always wanted to have one of those, and I found one. It was $6.99, so I grabbed it. Next, I got this piece here. I think it's supposed to be like a cheese plate or maybe a cutting board, I don't know, but I just thought it was absolutely gorgeous. It's also by that Lipper International, and it's just so beautiful. Look at the detail on the edging. It's just so nice. I was so excited when I saw it, and that was, I forget how much that was, $12.99. I also got this tray from Homegoods, and again, all in that natural wood color, and that was $24.99, and I kind of want to use that as a cutting board. I don't know, we'll see. I got a set of napkins. I think it's a set of 4 for $5, and they have a really nice sheen to them, and I thought it would be nice for the dining table. And I got some dishcloths that I like to hang that have little cute sayings on them. I like to hang those on my stove handle. Next, I got some greenery. I got this one. It's like a lavender. It came in this little tin can. It's more like a farmhouse kind of look. $14.99, but I'm gonna be DIYing that and making it all kinds of glam. And I got these 2 pots, also $12.99 each, just a different type of greenery. I'm all about topiaries. I have so many topiaries in my house. I wanted to just kind of get something different, even though I got another one for like $7.99. But yeah. And I'm redoing my pantry this week or next week, and I got these clear trays. I was expecting to have so much more because last time I was at Homegoods, they had a ton. And when I went today, it literally had 4, and they were in the makeup section. I was so disappointed. Then I got these marble coasters by Mason Grove, and they're so heavy, you guys. This is like, I think it's real marble. It's not fake. It's so heavy. I got this basket to put in my living room to put our blankets in, and it has some imperfections, of course, so they discounted it for me, and all I'm going to do is trim those out and maybe use a little bit of spray paint to fix the areas that are showing. But it's perfect for our blankets, and yeah, it goes really well with my silver theme. Next, this is my table where I usually have my office stuff, my microphone, my computer, but I don't like to leave it on. So I got this little cart. It was $60 and I thought it was perfect to just kind of tuck in the corner. I can put my computer on there, my microphone, and any kind of like little files and extra things. And I could keep my table nice and clean. So it's perfect. I got a mail sorter. The mail sorter was $12.99 and it says "Be the Boss" or something. It's really cute. I just like that it was gold, and I really like the detailing and the design on it. I thought it was really nice, so I got that just to kind of stick some mail in it, but nothing that's gonna accumulate because I'm really bad with mail. I will just let it pile up for months and months and months and then just scream and pull my hair out of my head because I have so much mail. Next, I got these lamps. So gorgeous. They're $80 each. That was kind of pricey for lamps, but they're so beautiful. I could not pass them up. I thought it would be perfect for my office. And I also got this pineapple. The pineapple I think was $12.99 or something. I like pineapples, and I have curly hair. I have my hair in a pineapple all the time, so I just thought it was perfect. Next, I got this candle holder. I had already had one, and when I saw the matching one, I thought perfect. Let me just grab that because I wanted to have two of them. And then I got this art, I don't know, piece. It's like, I don't know, circles. I don't know why I got that. It was $25. I don't know why I got it. I think I'm gonna return it. Then I got this art piece that's gonna go right above my chair. And I really loved how unique it was. It has like metallic flowers in it, so it had like the silver, the creams, and whites, pretty much all the colors that are going in this room. So I thought it would be perfect. I wanted something that would be a statement, and that was $60, and it's gonna go right there between the lamps. So the table where the lamps are is not gonna be the actual table where it stays. I already ordered a new one, so that's not gonna stay there. And this piece I already hauled a while back, and I want to cut the greens from the flowers, so I don't know. Let's see how that comes out. But ultimately, this is everything that I got. I hope you guys liked this video. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of my office. If you have any suggestions, if you want to see any of the DIYs I'm going to do to kind of spruce it up. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share, and I will talk to you in my next video. God bless. Bye-bye.